Okay, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and solve a geometric sequence. Okay, now I have given you an equation here, and I've also given you an understanding here of what we have. Okay, so we can, just looking at this, you can tell it's not arithmetic. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve this. We're going to find out how it works geometrically. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And 54 divided by 18 is 3. Okay, so we know that we have a common ratio of 3 here. Okay, now how it looks in an equation is we start with 2, and then we multiply by our ratio, which is 3, and then we raise an exponent to our ratio. This is called x minus 1. Okay, now that may seem freaky, but it's not really as bad as it seems. Okay, all we're going to do is we're going to take our first x. We're going to plug it in here. So we have 2 times 3, and then we have 1. Our x this time is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay? So we solve our exponent first. Okay? So 3 to the power of 0 is nothing more than 1. So essentially what we have here is we have 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Let's do the next one. We're going to plug in 2. 2 times 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 to the power of 1 is just 3. So it's 2. Whoops. Let's do it right next to it. 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's do a third one. It'll make a little more sense now. 2 times 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we're essentially squaring. 3 squared is 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. You can do the same thing with the next one, okay? So we're going to do 2 times 3. We have 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so 3 cubed is 27. Then we multiply by 2. Okay, so we have 2 times 27. That equals 54. So it may seem scary at first, but it's really not that difficult. Just looking at the equation and just plugging in your x, and you'll get out your f of x. Same thing as an arithmetic. We're putting in our input, we'll get out our output.